Do you feel like you're paying too much just to use your own money? That was my big question when I started looking into the best Patriot Bank checking account for my daily use. I needed an account that was practical, meaning low fees, easy access to my cash, and solid digital tools. I found that Patriot Bank and Patriot Federal Credit Union offer a few different options, but after comparing them, two really stood out for typical, everyday banking. The contenders for daily use. For a basic, no-frills experience, the first account to look at is the Essentials Checking from Patriot Federal Credit Union. The best feature, it has no minimum balance requirement and a low minimum to open, around $25. This is huge for avoiding those common monthly maintenance fees. Daily use perks, you get a Visa debit card, free online and mobile banking, and unlimited check writing. It's exactly what it sounds like, the essentials you need for daily transactions without the stress of managing a specific balance. The second great option, if you prefer the bank side, is the Patriot checking account from Patriot Bank, the one in Southern CT/Scarsdale, New York. The balance hurdle, this one is a bit different because it does have a $12 monthly fee. However, you can easily waive that fee by maintaining a $1,000 minimum average daily balance or by setting up a direct deposit. The ATM benefit, this account offers a great perk for daily use, ATM fee rebates. They'll rebate fees on up to 4 non-Patriot ATM transactions per month, which is a big deal if you travel or don't always stick to their network. My experience and recommendation. For me, the winner for pure, hassle-free daily use is the Essentials Checking from Patriot Federal Credit Union. I found that not having to worry about a minimum balance was a game changer. I don't always keep a specific cash level in my checking account, and the simplicity of truly no-fee banking made my day-to-day transactions seamless. I got the debit card I needed, and their mobile app handled all my check deposits and transfers just fine. The Patriot checking account is a strong second, especially for someone who already has a direct deposit set up or consistently keeps a balance above $1,000. That ATM rebate feature is excellent value, but for me, I prioritize zero-fee risk over a few ATM fee refunds. Ultimately, choosing the best account depends on your habits. If you hate minimums, go with Essentials. If you want the ATM rebates and can easily meet the $1,000 balance or direct deposit requirement, the Patriot checking account is your answer. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.